Hello guys, how to fix Safari not playing video on iPhone? Safari browser not playing video on your iPhone. Then here are the fixes. Unlock your iPhone first. And first workaround is enable airplane mode or flight mode and wait for 3 to 4 seconds and again disable this. This issue is tap on settings and here scroll down and tap on cellular or data, and here find VPN connection and it will available on general settings. Tap on general and go to your VPN connection, VPN and device management, and make sure that no any VPN connection available. If you found, simply remove it. Thereafter on the same page look for extension, go to settings and go to screen time and here go to content and privacy restrictions and scroll down, content restriction, tap on it and here scroll down and tap on wave content and make sure that unrestricted is selected, and after sometimes if your error resolved, again you may enable limit adult websites if your problem resolved. If not, go to the next fixes, and the next one is tap on settings again and here go to Safari settings, tap on Safari settings, tap on it and here scroll down and look for clear history and website data. Tap on it to clear Safari's cookies and caches. In my case it will not open because it is disabled, and after that extension, tap on extension and if any extensions added then simply remove it first. After that go back and check whether your error of not playing video resolved or not. Again tap on settings and go to Safari settings and scroll down and from the bottom choose advanced, scroll down and choose advanced, tap on it and on this page look for the option GPU related option. It will not available, so go to back and GPU, click on flags features and here GPU related features we will have to find. Scroll down, GPU processor related WebKit features flags you will have to find. So scroll down and look for it. GPU processor canvas rendering, GPU processor DOM rendering. Make sure that both this feature is disabled. First disable it and after your problem is resolved then re-enable it, because both these features are important for running of your iPhone features. And the next method to fix this issue is again tap on settings and go to general settings, go to software update If any update available, download and install it in your system. That's all.